Tired of blindly sifting through endless Codeforces problems, wishing you could just find the ones that will actually make you a better programmer? In this quick tutorial, we'll unlock Codeforces' secret weapon for targeted practice topic-based filtering. Let's dive in. Once you're on the main problems page, look for the Filter button. Usually located in the top right corner, clicking this is your gateway to organized learning. A filter menu will pop up. The magic happens under the Tags section. This is where Codeforces categorizes problems by the algorithms and data structures they use. Here you'll find a comprehensive list of tags, from greedy and dynamic programming to graph theory and binary search. And so much more. Think of these as the building blocks of competitive programming. Now, let's say you want to specifically hone your skills in binary search. Simply click on that tag. You can even select multiple tags to combine your focus. For example, you might choose binary search and 2 pointers to find problems that often utilize both. Instantly, the problem list below will refresh, showing you only the problems that have been tagged with your chosen topics. This means you can now practice problems that directly target the concepts you want to master. Don't forget, when you land on an individual problem page, always check the tags listed at the top. This helps you understand what concepts are involved before you even start reading the problem statement. By consistently using these topic filters, you're no longer practicing randomly, you're strategically building your expertise, one tagged problem at a time. Happy coding and happy filtering.